Now, carefully listen to the two poems. Let's plant trees and look outside on page numbers 26 and 28. Then try to read them by yourself.
Let's plant trees. Get down on your knees and plant some trees. It's a lot of fun. Give them plenty of sun. Plant the seed and give them what they need. When we show them care, they will give us air. Look outside. Look outside, see the trees. Watch the flowers and the honey bees. Help us to keep it this way, or it will not be so pretty one day.
Now try to read these poems by yourself. In the poems, the words that rhyme are highlighted. Rhyming words sound the same. They may have different letters at the end. For example, in the third and fourth line, the words fun and sun rhyme. So they are rhyming words because they have the same sound. Also, they have different letters. Now, let's do an activity. Use the internet to find a hadith about looking after plants and write it down on a loose sheet.